So today we are going to learn how to write and recognize number two. So this is a printout easily available on Google, Pinterest. You can take a printout, take a clear file, put the printout in the clear file. So first thing is we give the demo to the child. Okay. So Hazik, which number is this? It's number two. This is number two. Dua, which number is this? Number two. So what are we going to do? We are going to make number two with the Play-Doh. Okay? Come on, Hazik. How do you make two? You make a curve. Come on, let's do it. Let's see how Hazik does it. Good job. Like this, the child will develop fine motor skills. Good job. Good job. Don't forget to keep appreciating the child while they are performing the activity. Can you fill in the gaps also, Hazik? Good. You can take more Play-Doh. See, good job. I like that. So this is number two. Okay. So now Dua, what I want is that you make two balls. How many balls? Two balls. Let's make two balls with a Play-Doh and put them on the number two. Let's make two balls. These are the extended activities. You can easily set up a separate table for this, and children will remain busy for good 20 to 25 minutes. That's good job. No, you're going to make two balls. Let's make two balls. You're just going to make two balls and put two balls over here. Can you make one ball first? So now she's making two balls. One. Yes. Let's put one. Good job, Dua. Let's put one more ball and let's count and how many balls are there. Yes, let's make one more ball. So this rolling develops good gross motor skills. Okay, good job. Well done. Okay, can you count how many balls are there, Dua? One, two. Let's count. One, two. How many balls? Two balls. Can you say it loudly? Two balls. Good job. Which number is this? Number two.
Number two.
Number two.
Number two.
Now we will write number two in the spot. Make a curve and back. Let's do it again. Make a curve. Make a curve from this side. Make a curve and back. So now we are going to learn to write. So this is an extended activity to make sure that the child is able to write number two independently. So I have made a starting point so that it's easier for the student to know where to start from. Let's count how many frogs are there, Joa. One. Can you say it loudly?
One, two.
Well done. Now let's trace number two. Well done. Good job. Now let's trace number two on the dots. Very good. Do you want to use a different color? Always offer them. If they want to change the color, they can change the color. This will help them to create choices. Which number is this, Dua? Okay, this is number two. You always start from this side. Well done. Now you can take a different color and write with a different color again. I have asked her to use a different color so that she can do multiple tracing multiple times. Very good. Over here. This will help her. Okay. Meanwhile, remember that you always encourage the child to hold the pencil properly. Closely. Do not closely like this. Well done. Hold the pencil properly. Yes. From the top. From the top, beta. Start from here, Dua. Yes. Good job. Well done. Now to develop more better recognition, we have the number 2 worksheet where they will color number 2 with the board marker. So Hardik, can you find number 2 and color it? Again, this is in a clear file so that it can be easily erased. Good job. Where is number 2, Hardik? Good job. Let's color it. Now let's look for more. Can you find? Yes, well done. Good job. You can see how they're helping each other. Well done, Dua. Good job. Good job. So now they are able to recognize number 2. Look for more, Hazik. Yeah, good job. So now we are going to write number 2 in the sand. Make a curve and back. Let's do it one more time. Make a curve and back. Let's do it again. Make a curve and back. This is a sensory activity that helps the child to develop writing skills in a better way. These are interesting, these are very time taking, plus the child is equally involved in these activities. To create more understanding of number 2, I have a number 2 worksheet where Dua is going to first trace from here. Dua, beta, trace from here. Yes, let's start from here. No, beta, let's start from here. Okay. It's always better to make a starting point for them to understand.